Hello guys, welcome to Orata 2 Module 1. So for this module, these are the learning objectives. Number 1, to enumerate the values that you manifest and those that you need to develop. 2, explain UCU's core values in the context of our times. 3, link the 4 core values to your daily lives as students and members of your communities. And 4, synthesize in an image the core values of the Pedro T. Orata Nobility Program. So Dr. Pedro T. Orata is the founder of our university. For this cause, these are the UCU core values that this program would like to integrate to every student. Number 1 is integrity, 2 is competence, 3 teamwork, and 4 transcendence. What as an overview, welcome to the first module of the Dr. Pedro T. Orata Nobility Program. Through this program, we hope to instill the spirit of nobility among you, our students, the values that enable you to develop it. As you have seen in the previous modules last semester, the emphasis in this subject is on character formation that will equip you to meet the challenges in life. In this module, we will look into UCU's core values to better understand the qualities that the university expects its students to uphold and honor at all times, in all ways. It will introduce the core values that you will be asked to process them in the subsequent activities. For the activating prior knowledge, growing up, conversations and even lessons about values are always present. In our households, we are taught to develop good morals by our family members, particularly our elders. In school, values education is a constant part of our curriculum. With this, let us have a short self-assessment and reflection of what we have learned about values over the years by answering the following activity. So the activity will be given at the end of this module. Now, what are these UCU core values? Number 1 is integrity. True UCUians, imbued with the spirit of nobility, live their lives guided by the ideals of honesty and authenticity. Their words and actions consistently reveal their commitment to decency and honor. They pursue the path of truth even if this were the less popular choice. In other words, when we say integrity, this is actually the value for truth, honesty, and authenticity. Next is competence. Competence is the passion for excellence which drives noble persons to shine in their chosen craft. They do not settle for mediocrity and capacitate themselves with the requisite know-how and skills to establish their expertise and credibility in their discipline. They continue the pioneering character of Dr. Pedro T. Orata by spearheading innovations while building on traditions of excellence. So in other words, competence is simply the value for the continuous quest for knowledge and skills. Teamwork is the spirit of nobility which moves UCUians to cooperate with other members of the university in realizing a common goal. With humility, they accept that each member of the UCU community will work together, each one bringing his or her own capabilities to actualize the university's vision. Noble UCUians seek and pursue to achieve unity in any area or situation, understanding that two is better than one and that the best outcomes almost always happen in the spirit of cooperation. To keep it short, teamwork is the value for cooperation among the members of the UCU community. And lastly, transcendence. Noble UCUians are selfless stewards of goodness and compassion to their fellow human beings, to the school, to the community, and to those in need, prioritizing the cause of others before theirs, willing to accept, do, and get the job done without expecting recompense. Going beyond self-actualization, They aim to reach their full potential to best serve noble causes beyond the self. So in other words, transcendence refers to the value of empathy and compassion for fellow individuals. So that's all for this module.